It's not available in this region.
What are you doing? Why are you taking my picture like that? Kali, so answer it either yes or no.
So you want a yes or no? You don't want
Yeah.
explanation or what?
No, there's no explanation. It's a yes or no.
So why did I?
Okay. Kambuzo, what do I got to explain?
Oh, kind of.
Huh?
Avi, why are you asking me this? This is not fair. I told you to become with me, but still questions your
But
right.
I ask you, I gave you what the option B. About the yes or no. You got to explaining. So, I got to coach.
So this is what I asked for.
No,
Going live.
No,
Match with you.
No, the match was about truth or dare in question.
Okay. Let me see the comments once. No.
What are you explaining? I saw how cool it is.
Nowadays you look so hot, Avieta. Yeah, you really look so hot. I mean, look at you. Your smile, your... You're so cute, man. Man, me not see me, man. Seriously.
Okay, that was a good diversion. I like that. Okay, so my people asking me questions.
Like, for real. See the way you smile. Me,
Oh, okay, tell me.
I have the worst smile ever. When I try to smile.
Where is Derek?
Oh, Derek, he's at work right now. Yeah.
What time he comes back home?
Around 10.
All right, that's great.
Yeah.
So when are you having baby?
Oh, sure. Anytime. You say that when the right time comes, we will definitely have a baby.
Okay, so that says a lot. If you say any time comes, you definitely have a baby. Does that exclude you from the other part where they've been asking a question? That means if you are like straight, you're gonna have a baby. That means you're straight.
Yeah, you're such a smart man. I know. Really, you've really saved me from saying whatever. Oh, let's go for another match. Yay! 1, 2, 3, and go.
Okay, are you going to answer our questions this time if we win?
Yeah, seriously, yes.
All right. The match is set. Bring it home.
No,
Guys,
please,
you know what to
guys,
do.
before I accept, don't fall for any Aviera's word saying that, Muna, I'm going to ask you questions. No, guys, no.
No. I
Here
mean,
we go
I can't
again.
say there because okay. All right. Guys, you know what to do. Keep the questions coming. Arrange your questions. After we win, drop the bomb in the comment section, and I'm gonna ask a straightforward. This time around,
you people.
there is no diversion. This time around, we definitely need to know, right? Whatever we ask you, you're gonna have to, right?
But you guys, don't try to follow for Aviera's words or anything.
Guys, you know me, I never lie. And you failed to send a lion, so you didn't send a lion, you fell for it, so you're in for it. We need to know the truth. We need to know the truth.
Have a way to get.
We need
You just have a way to win.
We need to know
that is
the
it. You
truth.
just have a way to
No.
win.
It's not a way to win. I always win.
Seriously, if there was
I always
something
win.
else, seriously,
This
you can have been winning. Trust me.
This is my territory. I always win.
Ariana,
No, I swear to God, I always win.
For the day.
I always win.
Guys, try to save me. Please, Shan, thank you so much. Guys, Bambi munyambe, Bambi.
My gifters, thank you so much. We are about to drop a lollipop. We're about to ask us some questions.
I'm so glad, guys. This is so good, seriously.
Tugenda obuuza ekibuuzo ekikakkalisa
Isaiah, guys, mwine empisa embi. Mwena buweereza butola obunyiiza muyinza okugamba nabakubako.
Aha, awe tuli. Kati abo bokka bokka. Beba tapping a screen essaawa eno. Tapping a screen yo.
Isaiah, guys, temunvaamu. Nze munnammwe kuva dda. Andi simunda against kati.
Today, this is going to be the final question. Either you answer it the way you understand it, or you can explain. Po! Omwana ataddewo crown ya Katonda n'enjambala. Julia, thank you so much, my sister.
Guys, you're so bad.
Yes! It's about to go down. Ogenda kiwulira.
Mumpaayo bannange.
Ojja kiwulira in Kyagulanyi's voice. Ogenda kiwulira. Owedde mukwano. Zino enkofiira ze nnyambala nti gyali ate gwakyasinze. Baby, lock the door. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? What you gonna do? Go with them. What you gonna? Hey, anayagala utaasa eyo.
Mutima wange munnange.
Temusobola waliyo gyali yakabejja. Temujja sobolayo. Tebagenda kutaasa. You have to answer our questions.
Jackie, thank you so much.
Temumukkiriza tapping a screen yo. Tapping a screen yo. Ojja kiwulira. Agezezaako naye takutaasizza. Ogenda kiwulira.
Letitia, Hawa, Carol, Lady,
mutegeke ebibuuzo byammwe newokaaba ogenda kiwulira.
Nahia. But I tukyalina obudde. We still having 1 minute to go, guys.
Now, 1 minute tekutaasa. Egenda kubekolaiza.
Guys, munyambe.
Mpologoma egenda okuyita neekulye wavo. Wedde. Tewali agenda kutaasa. Ebibuuzo mubitegeke bamama mulaba kawini. Tujjemu kimu tukimuwe.
You cannot win me like this. No, let me try to call. Kampita kumaje. Bana mutima neyanziza mukwano mutima.
Tuna seconds ana. Bana temukkiriza kuwangula.
We still have more minutes to go. We still have more seconds to go.
Tuna seconds.
Let me just waiting for the 9 hour Prince Nadio. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me, Banange. Guys.
Don't let her win.
Guys, please,
prepare your questions. We have 30 seconds. Nope. Temukkiriza kuwangula. Do not let her win.
Wonderboy, thank you so much. Wonderboy, we still have more minutes to go.
No.
Thank you so much. Wonderboy, we still have more time to go.
Rachel, thank you so much for keeping up.
Guys,
she cannot beat
we can
us.
still do
we have 10 seconds on the clock.
difference in these seconds. I swear upon the living God.
Ogenda tubuulira 9, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ting. Look at yourself. Kakati mama. Nga olaba nti nze MVP. Are you ready? Brace yourself. This might be a hard one. Brace yourself. Kino kigenda kuba kizibu. Comment section. Okay. I need to pick one question. Make it brief. Ekibuuzo. Here's the question. Kigenda kubeera mu Luganda, saagala kibeere mu Luzungu. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
You know what? Let me get something to drink. I'm coming.
Tewe wamba.
No.
Okay, first get some water and come back. Let's wait for her to get some water. Give me your questions. I'm gonna read, but don't use bad words, okay? Keep the questions coming. Comment section. Oh, that's a good one.
Where could nanas?
You asked the eyes of Kunjo Chamroot. Okay. First, take the refreshments and we can go ahead.
Are you talking to
You
me?
ready? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Are you ready?
Me? You meaning me?
I'm talking to you. Are you ready?
Nze kugamba oba amanya obuzibu avieta I swear upon the living God oluzungu lwoyogera is so strong sibitegera byoyogera I trust me.
Kale kanzire mu Luganda. Oli mwetegefu.
What?
Oli mwetegefu.
See, let me tell you something. Ever since I came here, seriously, now Luganda is not my language. It really takes me a long time to understand someone when he is trying to speak to me in Luganda language. Trust me.
All right. So okay. Which kind of English do you speak?
Yeah. Now here you're talking to me now.
Okay. All right. That's okay. So you speak British English, right?
My Zoom
English do you speak? No. Okay. I'm gonna be so slow as I can, and so that we can get.
Uganda. I was not actually twogere Lusoga.
But you said ever since you came to the UK.
Nze ndi mwana wa Jinja. Nva Jinja.
Okay, do you need to explain anything before we go ahead?
Ndi wa Jinja. I've ndi wa Jinja. But I can use a story Katinia.
Before tonight, I'm a story. Do you need to use a chimchester to get a story? Do you need to use a chimchoka, but you talk to get them stories?
No, that's one. I mean,
One question. Then to get them.
Then you ask me.
Okay, story again later.
Last year, sister wange agenda n'azaala ka baby boy. Nali wano. Nali siri wano, nali nkyali Dubai. Nankubira essimu n'aŋŋamba nzadde akaana naye omanyi erinnya lye tumutuumyeko nze bamuwadde erinnya ki? Bamuwadde Aviator. And I was like, what?
No, that's a lie.
In all times you chose aviator. I mean, are you on TikTok? Are you having a crush on that guy? And then my sister was like, I take crush on who? I don't know any aviator. I mean, this is my baby boy and nsazeewo okumutuuma nengamba aviator bulijjo linnya, or it's just a nickname you can just nickname yourself aviator. And my sister was like, no, tata we yali agadde n'agamba amutumye aviator. And trust me, since that day I've been stalking you, saying, oh, look at my son, because he is when your sister gives birth, oyo omwana abeera wuwo, isn't it? Abeera mpita mama, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah. So I'm having a son called Aviator. So whenever I look at you, I'm just seeing my son. So I'm your mama, okay? Please.
Not in that.
Abantu mu comment section tebakukyusa obwongo. I'm your mama. When you're speaking to me, you're asking me questions. Beera ng'okimanyi you're talking to your mama, okay? I don't know whether you would like to see your mama getting hurt, isn't it?
See, when I was doing my aviation training, there was what we call the mind-changing concept. See, a passenger can get into an aircraft and try to change your minds or hijack the aircraft. So that's a mind-changing concept, and I'm not going to fall for that.
And trust me, by the way, I don't lie.
So,
I don't lie.
That's a made-up story.
Aviator. And you are my son.
That's a made-up story.
Let me show you the picture. Let me show you the picture. You might think that I'm lying. You might think that I'm lying. I'm not lying.
No, that's a weak defense.
I don't have a... Can you imagine I don't have my son's picture here? You don't have his was. Where are you, baby boy? I want to show him that I have a son called Aviator. You are my son. Whenever I see my boy and I see you, oh my goodness, oh my God. And he's so handsome, just like you. That's my...
I appreciate the compliment. Right. See, I'm one person who's true to myself and true to my followers and to my, I want us to be straightforward here, okay? Here's a dying question right now, before I forget or before my battery dies. Someone's asking, please try and ask her. Are you listening?
I'm trying to get my son. You. Oh, look at my baby boy. He's so cute. He's so cute, trust me.
Okay, I'm gonna ask the question regardless. And you have to answer. Are you gay? I'll take a silence for a yes.
Oh, I brought a drink already here, okay?
That's just confirmed.
Thank you so much.
Right?
What? Why are you staring at me like that?
I will take a silence for a yes.
What right? Silent? Silent for what?
I ask you, are you gay?
What's that?
And I said I'll take a silence for a yes. Or
no,
you
seriously, what's that you're asking me? Why?
Okay, I'll give you a backstory, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Previously, they've been making a lot of videos about you, that you enter the LGBTQ community and you're part of them. And that's upon you. Yeah, I am not intruding your privacy or anything. That's definitely about you. You know what to do with your life. But so since you're a public figure today and a lot of people following you, they want to know if it's true or they just propaganda. They definitely want to hear from you. And if you don't want to explain still, you can decide to just stay quiet. But still, I'll take a silence for a yes.
You know that
in
you're
this
telling
case.
this is new to my ears. I mean,
Oh, really? You didn't? Oh, well, the news has
yeah.
it.
You know,
And
I'm
rumor
always
has
here
it
on
that you've
TikTok
been.
enjoying people. And I'm always enjoying people like Jose Chakala. That guy can make me laugh so hard.
Oh,
Then
that's
there
great.
is his fellow called CB, and then there is this new couple, Mama Joanne and the guy, and then there is another baby girl. Waliwo omuwala omuto awo omulala azina like he's so talented. So whenever I'm on social media, I'm always just watching those people's videos. Kati simanyi biki biriko, simanyi bitrendinga, simanyi bantu bebogerako, simanyi. Seriously, you're just giving me something new in my ears, like for real. Come on, people are talking
That's great.
that. Really?
Yeah, you're saying that.
About
Yeah.
me?
Yeah, about you.
Why?
What you gonna say about that? Say anything you would like to say in your defense?
No, I need to investigate about this. This might be something so serious, you know? Like for real.
Yeah, sure.
Why could someone
Well, that's
say
true.
such a thing on someone when they don't know them, like in real life? Oh my God, I'm
I was wondering
shivering.
the
Oh
same.
God, I'm shivering, and I'm so scared. I'm alone in my room. Oh God, I need someone to save me.
You're shivering, innit?
See what you're telling me? If I die, Avieta, I don't know where you're going
No,
to
it's not
hide
me.
from people.
Right, no. That'll be against your own will.
No
But
one
I
can
wouldn't.
save me. I'm having 1.6K people viewing me, but if
I have
something
1.7.
bad happens, I really don't know because no one can come right now here to help me out. I'm alone in my room. I'm suffocating.
All right, don't truck to that. So, can I ask you the last question? Say, since it's new to your ears and you've never heard about that, since people just said that,
Yeah.
there are
It is
pictures
so
of you in the
very new
community.
to my ears.
Yeah, great. I mean, I will understand if there's something behind that, like maybe you are with your friends who are actually into the same thing and you're not part of it. I mean, it's totally allowed. You can have your own freedom. And it's the West, so they have their own culture. So maybe you have friends who are actually into it.
You know what, Aviera?
Yeah.
Aviera? Your name sounds so cute. Aviera. I mean, how can I say Avieta? Aviera. Wa. Ra. Ra. For real. Okay.
Okay.
Where should I start from?
From the point whereby you said what can you say?
You know, nowadays, before I speak to anyone, someone who is not here, I actually fear to talk to people.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because I just don't know what people think of me, you know? That is the truth. Because now, Avia, the way you're looking at me, oh God, I wish I can read your minds.
Why? Why would you read my mind for?
Ebintu byombuuza, that is so sensitive.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should stop playing around. You know, I'm so playful. Have you noticed
Yeah.
that?
Yeah, sure, you do. Well,
Yeah.
most of the times, yeah.
Yeah, sure.
What are you drinking?
Cheers!
What's that? That's water, right? Is that water?
Actually, I don't booze. This is just strawberry with black currant juice. Yeah.
Recommend. Okay, so before we go further into depth, see, I'm gonna tell you this. You are my friend, right? There's a lot.
Before we continue, people in
Okay.
comment section, they are over saying that I'm drunk. I'm not drunk.
No. Don't say that. That can be one keyword to block you.
I'm just a
out, so.
happy girl. Like, I don't know how to act no more. That's the truth. Wama, go on.
So, see, you have followers, okay? People who believe in you. You have people who are behind you, for your family. You have a lot of people that are looking up to you to be your role model, their role model rather. So if something like this breaks out in the internet and you do not come out to clarify anything, like, hey,
Nah.
this.
I can't say anything about this. You know what? Because
Why?
in life, I know you want me to say something about this. You really want me to say something about this, and
Now, your name is going down to the drains, you know that.
And I have a lot to say, like, about eventually more on social media to be caller. I don't know. I don't know what to say, guys. Seriously, I know you follow me. I really have a big following, not only on TikTok, but on Facebook. I'm one of the top followed people in Uganda on Facebook. And Instagram. People follow me, seriously. Yeah, they do follow me. I know that. And I know that whatever I post, buli omu akiraba mu ngeri ye, buli omu akiwako opinion ye, bangi abamu kiba breaking a heart, abalala kiba, I don't know. But sometimes in life, Javier, are you listening?
Yeah, I'm listening.